This just came in and I'm doing an unboxing on it. It's a set of 8 LCD lights. I probably won't be able to show you the basement. I'll be able to show you, I guess, the before and after of the roof, of the ceiling of my basement. My basement is a mess and I just don't want to show it. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing to look at this thing. They sell them, I purchased this as a used item. I figured all I need them to do is work. I mean, they could sell them used, but they have to work. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. You can take a look at how it's all set up and everything and how it looks. During the unboxing, I'll just play a quick description of the item, and I guess it'll be followed by some elevator music if I haven't finished. All right, here goes the details.
The following is a detailed description of the item. Sunco Lighting 8-pack industrial LED shop light, 4 feet, linkable integrated fixture, 40W equals 260W, 5000K daylight, 4000 LM, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, utility light, garage Energy Star by Sunco Lighting 05292020, cost $138.31, Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/GP/B081QVPB31/refecals PP_X_OD_S_COR_D_B_S =F8 amperes and PS equals 1. Color 5000K daylight top rated industrial LED utility shop light checkmark. Commercial grade. We uphold the highest standards for all our products by testing each product for optimal performance and safety. Certifications: Energy Star. Specifications: length 4 feet 48 in. Frosted cover, Kelvin 5000, wattage 40, CRI 80+, lumens 4000, voltage 120, linkable for checkmark. Simple install. Follow our installation guide for a quick and easy setup. Mounting hardware included. Directly mount to the ceiling or suspend from the ceiling for instant bright light in your garages, basements, warehouses, and storage area checkmark. Linkable. Easily daisy chain the industrial shop light to create an extendable design. Seamlessly connect up to 4 LED shop lights together with connectors for energy savings in your home, office or workspace checkmark. Sunco benefits 7-year warranty. Sunco is proudly based in the USA, offering quality products at affordable prices backed by industry-leading warranties and knowledgeable support specialists. Products description: industrial LED shop light, linkable integrated, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, garage light industrial LED shop light, linkable integrated, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, garage light industrial LED shop light, linkable integrated, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, garage light industrial LED shop light, linkable integrated, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, garage light industrial LED shop light, linkable integrated, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, garage light. Sunco Lighting 8-pack industrial LED shop light, 4 feet, linkable integrated fixture, 40W equals 260W, 5000K daylight, 4000 LM, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, utility light, garage, Energy Star. This item Sunco Lighting 8-pack industrial LED shop light, 4 feet, linkable integrated fixture, 40W equals 260W, 5000K daylight, 4000 LM, surface plus suspension mount, pull chain, utility light, garage Energy Star. Sold by Sunco Lighting. Color 5000K daylight light source LED material metal style contemporary products information. Color 5000K daylight. Technical details. Brand Sunco Lighting. Manufacturer Sunco Lighting. Part number shop hind 5K 8PK. Item weight 28.5 pounds. Package dimensions 50.5 x 12 x 0.75 inches. Item model number shop hind 5K 8PK is discontinued by manufacturer. No style. Contemporary color 5000K daylight shape linear material metal number of lights 8 included components bulb included voltage 120 volt specific uses general purpose fixture features instant on, shatter resistant, shock and vibration resistant, linkable shade material plastic light direction down light power source corded electric switch installation type suspended, direct batteries included. No batteries required, no type of bulb LED luminous flux 4000 lm wattage 40 watts color temperature 5000 Kelvin.
finally finished. What I ended up doing, like, I took the light socket. The idea behind this is that I want to set up these lights in the basement. I set up all 8 of them in the basement, so I could turn on and off one switch and all the lights come on. So this is the actual socket, light socket, that turns on and off with a light switch that's located on the top of the stairs. So I want to be able to just turn it on and be able to have all lights turn on. So it's gonna be, it's nice. I ran all the lines. Like I told you, I don't want to show you my basement. It's a disaster. This is all temporary. It's not permanent. It's kind of while I'm doing some work down here, but I'm gonna eventually be putting them up permanently in different areas in the home, especially in the garage, to give me much more light. But I need them right now in the basement. So they're all running through the connections, basically bunny hopping off each other. So that is 1, 2. This is the 3rd light. This is the 4th one. This is the 5th one here. And then additional ones. And there's so much more lit up now. That light right there. And they're all just connected to each other through the outlets. I had to use an extension cord on a couple of them, but pretty much all of them just, this one I had to use an extension cord, and the extension cord connects over there. And it's really, I like them. I like them a lot. I like the price that I got them for. I just want to show you something because I was curious about this. So the light back here, okay, is physically through that cable connected to this one. So I was wondering if I turn this one now off with this, because they all have these light switches that they all have their own individual on and off. I don't even know what you call this, but just brain fart right now. Sorry for that. But on and off switch, and I was curious if I turn this one off, since if any lights are connected to this, would they turn off? And no, it actually stays on. So it's a pass through. This doesn't have to be on. This one does not have to be on for that one to be on. So if you were wondering about that, no, it's a pass through. So the electricity will still come through, and you can turn off and on each one individually, or you can do what I did, which is run it into a light socket and turn on and off with a light switch. So the light switch is here. Let me just show you. As you'll see, the lights are going to go off and on. It's dark now. Let me turn off the light on the phone. Okay, now you can see it's dark. Turn off that light switch up there. That's an individual one, so now it's dark. Turn them on. Wow. Now let there be light. That is so cool. Off. On. Off. On. Let me, so you can kind of see, I'll give you some glimpse, and you can see it's all off. Dark, on. It's daylight outside, but we're in the basement, so it still gets dark. Yeah. That is so cool. And there's a light switch up at the top steps. My daughter will go up there and turn them on now. My daughter's on top, and she's going to turn on and off the light switch herself. No, the other one. Turn that one off. The other one, you see? Okay. So that's at the top of the landing. Again. So at the top of, when I'm entering the basement from within the home, from the top floor, from the first floor, I'm going to be able to just turn all the lights on and be able to, you know, not have to turn on individual lights. One of the problems we had was that there were individual lights. There's so many light switches here. This is an individual light. This is another light. This is another light. This is another light switch. This is another additional light switch. I'm doing some construction work here, so I have to get this you know, I need all the light I can use, so that's why I'm putting them up temporarily. And you know, one of the issues I had was when I came down to the basement, I needed, let's say I was on the other side of the basement, I had to come here to turn on the light switch in order to get the light on over there. It was too much. So with this solution, with the way I hung up the lights, it's just one switch. This one right here, and it's I forget those switches. It's a two-way switch where they, you know, there's one up on top of the landing of the basement entrance up there. So there's another switch there, which corresponds with this one, so it allows you to turn on and off from up there. So now, just to, you know, look around in the basement, I could just, the lights off, turn them all on, and everything is great and working, and I have absolutely no issues whatsoever, so it just works. So I'm really happy with this setup. It's temporary for now. The light's going to be used in other places. I'm putting one probably in I may put one in the attic and like 4 of them in the garage when I'm done with the construction in the basement, when I get everything done. But for now, it helps during the construction, it helps during the organizing, putting things away. Just turning on one light switch. We have to go down here because we have a freezer down here with food, and another refrigerator, and a washer and dryer. And coming up and down and turning on each light individually. You forget to turn it on, you end up on the other side of the basement. You got to come back, find the switch, because you get so confused. I mean, I kind of know now, but you know, it's just a lot of hassle. So this just solves so many issues, and being able to just turn on the light, getting what you need in the basement, getting done what you need in the basement, and then finishing up, and then just turning off the lights. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thank you. Okay, you heard her. Bye.